Hello, I'd like to be one of the first to welcome you to the Blended Learning Program at Porter and Chester Institute. This is a short video that is going to give you an overview of Moodle, which is our learning management system, and how to navigate in and around your courses. Okay, so the first thing you do is log into the system. Once you log in, after your instructor has given you your login information and set up your technology, once you log in, you'll be on this main screen. Now, there's a couple things on this main screen that I really like to point out to you. Okay, first of all, you will have gone through here and gotten your app codes for your iPads, and you will have gotten your VitalSource and MBS books. Okay, those links have separate directions. Now, the other thing you're going to notice on this first page is there's a link to your student email accounts, and there's a link to the ProQuest database and journals, as well as eBrary. Make sure you use the one that's appropriate for PCI students. The other one's for YTI in Pennsylvania. The Porter and Chester Institute student links for eBrary is a library that allows you it's almost a full library, over 50-some thousand books. The ProQuest databases and journals, our ability to look up current information and have access to current trade and industry publications, as well as a lot of academic research. So those are just some things to keep in mind. You're going to receive instructions from your instructor on how to register for the Nursing Central product and for the Office 365 product, which is email, Word, and everything else. So I urge you to do both. I urge you to register for both of those products as a part of your setup. Okay, now, the other thing you're going to do is you're going to then want to come in here and scroll down to your campus. Okay, I am going to use Chicopee as an example. If you were on the Chicopee campus, you'd click Chicopee. If you were on the Branford campus, you'd click your own campus. Then find your department, which might be medical assisting. Then you find your term, okay, because we keep a number of terms so you can have access to some of your past material. Find the term number. Okay, and then you go into the course you're in. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to pick on one of our administrative courses. And we'll go into administrative medical assisting. Okay, and this is your main course room. Now, one of the more important things I want to point out to you here is I want to point out the footprint. Okay, this area up top, home courses, Chicopee, medical assisting, January 2017, and then finally, this is the course number. Anytime you want to get back to this main course screen from wherever you're at in the course, you click on that last portion there, which includes the course number and the term and your section. If you want to get back to all the other courses that are being run on the same day and in the same term on your campus, you click the term and the campus designation, which would be right there. Once you do that, you can see all the other courses being run. You'll only be able to access the ones you're registered for. Okay, so again, I'm going to go back into here. Okay. Now, throughout the courses, you'll see that everything's organized as a tab, and I'm actually going to drop back one more and I'm going to go into the administrative course. Okay, administrative medical assisting, which is 701. So our courses are all laid out with tabs and blocks. Blocks are over on the right hand and the left and right of the screen, and it looks like little squares. Tabs contain all of this information. In this case, it's laid out in a list format, but it could be in a tab format as well. Okay. So week 1 will be, in this case, medical insurance. Every week is laid out with some homework, some video lectures for you to listen to, Okay, there's a discussion board for you to participate in, some additional activities for you to do, and then there might be a question and answer. These are all with check marks, might be a quiz, and some assignment. If you look at the icons, it tells you exactly what's expected. Homework and other assignments have the hand holding a piece of paper. Anything with a check mark is usually a quiz or some sort of question and answer. Anything with the little puzzle piece is a textbook activity, which could include a set of flashcards and other stuff like that. Discussion boards always have these little, almost like dialogue icons. And you'll see the same thing up top here depending on the course. Okay, anything with the little PDF symbol is a handout or something we want you to read. Now, at the top of the course, there's some pretty important material. Okay, we have to have the syllabus, we have attendance and grading policies, so make sure you read that all. Also at the top of the course, there's a news forum and a discussion forum. The news forum is where your instructor will post announcements. Okay, you cannot respond there. The discussion forum, you click on the discussion forum and you can go in there, and this is a general discussion area. We'll talk more about discussion boards in a later video of the course. So if I want to get back to my main course screen, I'm going to click on the link for the main course. Now, over on the left-hand side also, you'll have an administration block. Okay, yours is going to probably look a little bit different than mine, but that's okay. In your administration block, okay, you have grades. Now, when you click on grades, you're going to see your and only your grades. Okay, and it's very important for you to check on the grades occasionally. However, do not worry about the final course grade column until your course is complete. Until every aspect of the course is complete and graded, the final grade column will not be correct. It's not cumulative. It's based on having everything done. Yeah, and there's more information on how the grading works in the course syllabi. So that's an overview of the course. Now, just one other small thing that I want to show you is up here in the right-hand corner. Okay, you have, if you click on your name, you'll find the ability to get to your dashboard. Okay, and a dashboard just lets you look at all the courses you are assigned to in one space, and you can click on them to get to them easily. You will have your grades. Okay, it's basically, you'll see courses down here where you can go to your grades easily. You'll have messages. Okay, you can send and receive messages from this screen. Please note that every message is readable by the system administrators. So please be professional and coherent in everything you send, because we do check messages at random points to make sure the message system is not being abused. And then we also have preferences. Preferences is important because it allows you to do things like change your passwords. You can edit your profile, change passwords, and other stuff like that. So all of this is available to you when you click on your name up here. Also, logging out is occasionally important as well. If you're on a classroom computer, you want to make sure you log out at all times. So once again, that is an overview to the courses. Please continue to work your way down through the rest of the introduction course, the Intro to Distance Learning course, and we will be back talking about the discussion boards next.